So I'm busy back, bitches. Okay, and today I bet y'all not gonna guess what we doing. I bet y'all can't guess what I'm doing. Okay, but for real though, today I'm gonna show you how to put on a synthetic wig. Yes, I said synthetic because you know your girl be balling on a fat budget. No, the budget is actually on a diet. It's damn near anorexic. I be balling on a budget though. And the name of the wig that I'm gonna show y'all is, I told myself not to forget the name. Brazilian Secret Bohemian Straight. I'm either saying it in the wrong order, but those are the words. Those are really the words. And it's a 613 wig. Yes, it's a 613 wig. It's like really blonde, and it's so cute. So if y'all want to see how I slay that thing, then you know what to do. Just keep the fuck watching. Duh. Oh, like, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend about your girl. Aight. Okay, this is for all my babies who, you know, be running a rock a wig. Don't really know how to put it on. This is the wig right here. Y'all, I record on my camera. It's so bootleg and it's so funny. But yeah, this is right here. Alright, she look a little janked up because I've had her for about, I want to say about 2 weeks, almost 2 weeks, and she is synthetic. So she sheds. And I wouldn't say she just sheds crazy, but she sheds. I already cut the lace off and stuff. She comes with 2 combs in the front, a comb in the bizac. Can y'all see that? A comb in the back. And yeah, I already cut the lace and stuff. So what you gonna need, what you might need, some people just throw their wigs on, but me, I don't do that. I actually glue mine down, cause you know I be trying to be extra and stuff. See, y'all see what I'm talking about? She sheds, but like nothing like super crazy. She's synthetic, so you have to take care of her. You have to take care of your synthetic wigs. And my niece was playing in my wigs. Oh, she was playing in my wigs the other day. Then she had to send me pictures. I asked her, I said, you must be on your hot girl shit. She gonna say, hi, period. But yeah, she got a kink in it. I'ma just cut this kink out. So yeah, this video is gonna be basically me showing y'all how I put on my wigs. When I be extra and glue them down, how I, you know, and all that. And you know, we can chitty chat just a little bit if y'all want to get to know me. If y'all don't, then that's fine. Y'all ain't gotta be my friend. But for those of you who do, thank you. Okay. So the first thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna call her Sally. I'm gonna sit Sally over there to the side. And y'all know that I am bald headed. I have on a wig cap, a light brown wig cap, cause I have red hair. I have auburn hair. I have hair. Like, no, I'm not. I'm bald headed. Okay, I'm gonna pull that back. And me, I'm very extra. So let me show you. Once you get your cap centered how you want it to be on and shit, put it back just a bit. I have kind of like a big forehead, so I always put my wigs on a little bit over my hairline, like probably like right here something. So I won't have no 5 head, so I can have like a little 3 head or something. And I take my got to be good. I'm getting my got to be good spray. My got to be good per. Everybody should know what this is. I feel like every YouTuber done used this before, so I'm pretty sure y'all have seen it before if y'all haven't used it. Yeah. It's just shit everywhere on me. Shake it up, shake it up, shake it up. Oh, 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 oh. Need a blow dry. Blow dry. What we gonna do?
Spray. Okay. Spray where you want it to stick. See me, I go crazy and go stupid. I'm trying not to do that. I know everybody don't want to go crazy and go stupid, but I move a lot. Like, I'm hyperactive. And I need no chances of my wig falling off.
No chances. Y'all gonna see me doing a lot of leaning because I put everything I need like right next to me. I don't feel like moving. I've had this blow dryer since my 7th grade year of middle school. I am now, what am I? I'm supposed to be a junior in college, but I took off like a year altogether. So I'm like am I a second semester sophomore? Yeah, I'm a second semester sophomore in college. This baby here, Blackbird, this bitch gonna get you there. She almost faded a little bit, but you know she gonna get you there. Oh, oh. Is it gonna work?
Blackbird wasn't working. There we go. We're gonna make sure it's on cool. Okay, cool, cool, cool. Going crazy and going stupid because I need to. Okay, after that, we're gonna use got to be ultra glue, super glue, mega glue. No. It got to be ultra glue and a black thing. I use it for everything. I put this on my hair for my edges. I use it to my wigs down. I probably shouldn't put it on my edges, but you live in your life. I don't really have hair anyway, so I'm just gonna put this on top of the layer that I put the spray on. And like I said, this is how I do my wigs. You don't have to follow me. I mean, nothing's ever went wrong when I've done my wigs. Nothing's ever gonna go wrong. I've been doing my own hair for, I don't want to say forever,
but like a good little minute I've been doing my own hair because it's broke bitch central over here. So I feel like if I can teach myself how to do it, then why pay somebody to do it? That's my dad and me talking. This man's so cheap. I didn't know he was buying me like the fake chips until I think I was in high school. My best friend was like, yeah, you want something out the store? And I went to go get my chips. She was like, why you just don't get the real kind? And I'm like, bitch, these is the real kind. Whole time my daddy was playing me. Tragic. So on this part right here, y'all, I'm not doing nothing special but blow drying my hair, just blow drying it. For me, I switch my settings from cool to hot to cool to hot. I don't know why, but it just seems to always work better for me. I sure am in the middle of recording my YouTube video. My nieces don't care about me. Is it sticky enough? No, go back under the blow dryer until it's like, it shouldn't be dry. It should be like a really tacky, sticky. Like it just should be like really, really sticky. That's how you know that you know you're ready. Okay, I got it where I want it, and I'm just gonna do this because I don't want it that low. I glued it down there just to, you know, make sure that it was gonna be where I needed it to be. I'm gonna do that. Oh, it's so sticky. That's how it's supposed to be done. Then that right there. This is an eyebrow razor that I'm using because it gets closer. It cuts closer than like the scissors. And I honestly don't know if I brought my hair scissors over here, so. Okay, and now we gonna go to the fun part, to the fun part, to the fun part. Y'all, I wanna know some stuff about me. Oh, for one, I'm 20. I'll be 21 in August. I'll be 21 Savage in August the 31st. I love hot wings. I feel like I have feelings for them. And y'all, my favorite animal, all this shit is irrelevant honestly, but my favorite animal is elephants. I'm trying to drop hints to everybody that like I want an elephant necklace for my birthday. Like, I really want my mom to get it, or like one of my friends, but I don't have a lot of friends. Don't tell nobody that though. But yeah, I really want an elephant necklace for my birthday. Like, I dead ass might die and come back to life. I'ma die, go to heaven, tell my grandmother, and then I'ma come back. That's just how excited I'm gonna be. Cause like I love elephants. Like, I'm getting emotional right now talking about them. You know how you know you finna cry? It's like the little warmness in your throat, then your eyes get hot. That's how, like, I love elephants. Okay, now to the fun part. Let me brush this out one more time. Oh shit, my eyelash. No, can't be dropping eyelashes over here, because that pair gotta last me till I get paid, and payday ain't no time soon. I beg 4 for 4s for a living, y'all. It's just temporarily though. I work at Wendy's. Talk about some rude customers. All my folks that work in like fast food, all my folks that work, period, have y'all just experienced like some horrible customers? I've had racists come in there. I've had people who don't want to put money in my hand, but then they expect me to put their change in their hand. And I'm not gonna lie, sometimes I don't, because I be fed the fuck up sometimes. And I recently washed this wig, y'all. That's why you see like the little lines and stuff in it. I washed oil. I boiled it. I clean my wigs by boiling them in fabric softener, because they're synthetic, they're fibers. If y'all want to see me do that, then, you know, I'll make a video on it. These ear tabs, I did not cut out the first time because I honestly did not see them. And they didn't bother me the first time, but since I see them, I guess I'll cut them off. Like that. Okay. Wow, this shit's big. Where does this go over here? Okay. Let me make sure it's centered. And if y'all see that little red streak, I was dyeing like my real hair, and I guess it was on the comb or whatever, and it got on my wig. But y'all not gonna be able to see that when I get done. Okay, like I said, I put mine like right here, like that. Where my comb go? What I'm gonna do before I start blow drying, I'm just gonna press it in. You ain't gotta be aggressive because it's already sticky, but just make sure that you press down on it. Just press down on it. Not that I really need to define this part, but it's there, so I want to make sure y'all can see it. I really could plug these parts on, but you don't get a lot of parting space with this wig. It's literally like just this, and so don't nobody like, they don't knock or nothing. They just, let's go and Shug, girl. Let's go and Shug, girl. Oh, kink. But yeah. So yeah. And I'm gonna go in and make some baby hairs. I made some baby hairs in this wig already, but who knows where they went. Like, you see that little red streak right there? It's actually cute, honestly. And if it was a mistake, it should have been a mistake and got on top. So you're gonna go in like right here. Let me get some from right there. I put everything in my lap. We go. Okay, thanks for them interrupting. If y'all hear my folks in the background, please just ignore them. Okay, now to these baby hairs. I can't do it how I just normally do it because I gotta make sure I get it on camera. But yeah. You don't want your baby hairs to be too thick, so after I do this, like after I part them off, I kind of just go in there and take some of the hair back out. Oh Lord. And then I'm gonna do that. I really should have brought a scrunchie. Y'all, out of everything I did get and everything I didn't get, I didn't get my thing for my edges. Okay, so I'm back once more. They just keep coming in here like I didn't say I'm recording. They don't care. Get some more of this. Which way do I want this to go? Oh, this part is getting on my nerves. Okay, but I just put some on there. That's it. Cut some more of this because it's in a way. Don't cut them too short because then they just gonna be straight and ugly. But if this how you roll, then you know I ain't knocking your style. Just put the little one in front. And after that, I'm gonna flat iron it on 250. Okay. I'm gonna flat iron it off camera. Okay, this is one side of it flat iron. I didn't do nothing special. I just put my flat irons on. They on 300. And I didn't part of anything. I'm just really trying to get the kinks out. Well, not the kinks, but like the little wash dents from me washing it, I guess. Just like that, and I just go around. Okay, since I'm done like flat ironing, what I'm gonna do is go in with the ends with my what the fuck is this? With my eyebrow razor arch or whatever it is, and I'm just grab the end of my ponytail and twist it. Cause like I said, I've had this wig for about 2 weeks. It is synthetic, and I'm gonna twist it, and I'm gonna go just like fray the ends a little bit to get some of the ends out, because the ends of your synthetic wig, they'll look old before anything else. So you just want to really pay attention to your ends. Yeah. So I'm just twist it, twist it, twist it, twist it. Hey, hey, I'm gonna twist it. I'm gonna twist it, and like I said, I'm just go in and fray the ends just a little bit like that. Where's my brush? Brush out the hair that's, you know, ain't came out yet. And what else I like to do after I'm done doing that is just flat iron my ponytail again. Now my ends look so much better. Some really nice slow flat iron streaks. And if you wear wigs, like I wear wigs a lot. And if you like your wigs, and like I like my wigs a lot, I would like try to get 2 of the same wig. So you know, you won't wear it out as fast. Synthetic wigs need a different type of love and care than our, you know, real human babies.
I like boarding jets, I like more than sex, but nothing in this world that I like more than checks. Money. All I really wanna see is the money. I don't really need a D, I need the money. All a bad bitch need is the money. I got bands in the coop, bustin' out the roof. I got bands in the coop, touch me, I'll shoot. Bow, shake a little ass. You get a little bag and take it to the store. Get a little cash. You shake it real
If y'all
fast,
have
do a
any
little more.
tips or
I got
anything that y'all
bands
feel
in the
like would make it better, that I
coop,
could do
bustin'
different,
out the
you know,
roof. I
your
got
girl is
bands
always
in the
looking for new finesses, so let me know, cause that smells so